Hello friends, first, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of flour to the eggs, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it all a good whisk to combine and make sure it's nice and smooth. Take 3 to 4 large potatoes, grate them on the coarse side of the grater. Once they're grated, rinse them thoroughly in cold water. This step helps remove excess starch, making the potatoes less watery, and allowing the mixture to hold together better when we bake it. After rinsing, transfer the potatoes into the bowl with the egg mixture. Now let's take 1 onion and chop it finely. Add the onion to the potato mixture. Take 1 red bell pepper. Chop it into small cubes. Add that to the mixture as well. Take a small bunch of parsley and chop it finely. Toss that in with the rest of the ingredients and mix it all together. Mixing everything together feels like a warm hug in a bowl. Now, pour a little olive oil onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then, spoon the potato mixture onto the baking sheet. Pop the baking sheet into the oven. In a frying pan, drizzle a little olive oil. Now, chop 1 onion finely. Sauté it in the pan until it's soft and golden. Grate 2 cloves of garlic on a mini grater. Add to the pan. Fry it up a little. Next, take 1 chicken breast and chop it into small cubes. Add the chicken to the pan with the onions and garlic and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly until the chicken is cooked through. Then, take 1 red bell pepper and chop it into small cubes. Add it to the pan and stir everything together. Then season the mixture with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir it all together and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Let's grate 2 ounces, or about 60 grams of cheddar cheese. Add the cheese to the pan and stir it in. The cheese melts beautifully and adds a creamy richness to the filling. Now take the potato base out of the oven. Cut the base into squares, just like you see in the video. Take the chicken mixture and spoon it onto each square of potato. Gently roll the squares up to form little parcels, like the ones you see in the video. These make the perfect bite-sized portions. Next, take a baking dish. Grease it with olive oil, spread it evenly with a brush, then place our rolls in the dish. Now, let's grate 2 ounces or 60 grams of soft cheese. Sprinkle it over the top of the rolls. Pop the rolls back into the oven for another 15 minutes. When our rolls are ready, take them out of the oven. Serve them with a generous spoonful of the sauce. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking!